So my Mediterranean garden has arrived from Dig, and I'm going to plant it all up today. It comes with everything that you need, all the instructions, everything is mapped out in your own personalised leaflet. So I've got these already laid out in the positions that they're going to need to be in the garden, and I'm going to get planting. If some of the plants look a bit small and sort of twiggy when they arrive, don't worry, it's just not their time yet for the season. So these are all going to kick off brilliantly once you've planted them up and they've had a nice water and some food. You need to plant them up the same sort of height as they are in their pot. So a good way to do that is to take the actual pot that it came in and push that down into the ground and make sure that you've got the right sort of depth with it. And the plant can go straight in. Last one. All planted up. Now all I have to do is give it all the water. Well, that's it, all planted up and ready to grow. I shall keep you posted on how it gets on.